Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover hacked Instagram account. First of all, open your Instagram and go to the login screen. Now tap on forget password. Now enter your username or email and click on continue. Now you can check for your email or SMS for the login or link code. But if you think your account is hacked, click on the I think my account is hacked, which is given right above. Now enter your email or username and then click on I think my account is hacked and click on your I think my account is hacked. Now click on the account you think has been hacked and choose a way to recover your account and follow the instructions given to you by the Instagram itself. But if nothing works, then you can appeal or write an email to the Instagram saying that your account had been hacked and for them to look into it. And once the Instagram gets back to you, they will make sure that you get your account back. And this is how you can recover a hacked account. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.